We coordinate the transport phase, making sure these trucks are loaded efficiently and safely for the journey to the processing plant.
As you can see, the sugarcane moves through the inspection zone, where we test the sugar content and fiber analysis in real time.
After applying the sample, the refractometer quickly calculates the sugar content, displaying a final Brix value of 20.5%.
The cut ends are still moist, very fresh. And the fibers are crisp. We can approve this lot.
In the washing phase, we ensure every stalk is meticulously cleaned using high-pressure water jets before moving to extraction.
After a thorough cleaning process, the sugarcane moves efficiently towards extraction, ensuring only premium quality juice.
Here, the sugarcane is fed into these high-speed cutters. They precisely chop the stalks into smaller, manageable pieces.
Once washed, the sugarcane moves smoothly along the belts, approaching the high-speed automated cutting machines.
Part of the operation, the extraction phase. The mills crush the fiber, releasing the sucrose, which is immediately channeled away for clarification.
The synchronized roller crushers work in stages, squeezing the fibrous cane and steadily filling the collection channels below.
The fibrous residue, known as bagasse, is efficiently collected and conveyed, earmarked for its crucial role in sustainable fuel production.
As you can see, the raw juice enters the system here. The membranes inside the filter housings remove impurities, resulting in this clear, vibrant liquid.
Here we see the raw sugarcane juice entering the fine filtration units. The impurities are captured in the chamber.
This is the clarification phase, where we use these tanks to settle out the impurities. Then it moves to the purification stage right here.
vacuum deaeration system removes dissolved oxygen from the sugarcane juice, preventing oxidation and maintaining the quality of the sugar. The sugarcane juice enters the heat exchanger here at 55 degrees Celsius. We then rapidly increase the temperature to 90. Rapid cooling is essential for stabilizing the flavor. As you can see on the gauges, we maintain precise control over the heat exchange pipelines.
Welcome to our infusion station. We use only the freshest ingredients like this ginger, lemon, and mint to naturally enhance the flavor of our sugarcane.
Here we use the refractometer to verify the Brix level of the incoming juice. This ensures we meet the stringent quality standards before further processing.
We're now entering the aseptic phase. The sterilized bottles are filled and capped within this isolated zone to maintain product integrity.
As you can see, the bottles move through the high-speed labeler at a rate of 500 per minute. The vision system ensures perfect alignment every time.
Once the juice arrives, it enters our cold room, where the temperature is strictly monitored before the final distribution phase begins.
Taste the vibrant freshness in every bottle, perfectly chilled just for you. Discover the best of nature